Alright, what is going on, guys? It's Sam here, and today I'm bringing you a new video. Today we actually got the corner lights I've been wanting for a long time. These are the LED depot lights. These were not too bad. They were like $100, and they also came with the little side markers. Let me show you right now. I don't know if we can focus. Yeah, there you go. These little corner lights. I'm gonna show you how my old side markers were. Alright guys, here go the old ones. You know, it's just clear chrome. They were like $15. I think they was cheap. This was like $100 with the corner lights, and it has all the LEDs. The reason I want to replace these two, that's because they are kind of yellow. You can't really see it in the camera, but they're yellow, and I think with the LEDs will look way better than just a regular yellow bulb. So I'm excited to install these, and I'm also excited to install these corner lights because I don't have corner lights. Y'all know the Preface E46 don't have with bolts. I mean, it don't come with bolts or nothing. All you gotta do is just clip these on. But today I'm gonna take off my headlights and I'm gonna do some modifications so I make sure these don't fall off, because these were very expensive for some corner lights. What you got there, Thomas?
A new Honda bumper.
A Honda bumper. Nah, I'm gonna keep this fucking rock clips. Thomas actually got an MTech bumper. It's been a while since you've been driving with no bumper, right?
Yeah, a lot of people roasting me on the comments saying why haven't got no bumper yet.
So he went to go ahead and got it. We already went to go ahead and paint it. We didn't really want to record that because I think we got like 2-3 videos. Dang, it's very bright. We got like 2-3 videos painting bumpers, so we don't want to record that all over again. We're just gonna be installing his bumper and installing my corner lights. That way we got good content. Also guys, the corner lights came with all these LED connectors. I think those are pallets or something like that. All these little small connectors. I actually was gonna like unbox it for you guys, but I got too excited when they came in like a day ago, and I just wanted to see how they look. So sorry, they were already unpacked. Alright guys, Thomas want to know which one should he put on his car. I think the blue one, since your car's blue. I don't know.
In my opinion, I think this one's better. Comment
down below and Thomas will switch it, and maybe he'll give that to one of you guys if Thomas don't want it. Yeah, we don't really use it. No. Alright guys, on the Preface, you usually just clip them in. It has this little clip so it can attach, but I want to make sure, because all my corner lights I ordered about like 6 of them. They all flew off the highway and everything. I don't want these to fall because these are the very expensive ones. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the whole headlight out, and I'm gonna see if I can put a couple of zip ties or some screws in it so it can hold in place with the headlight so it won't fall, because I don't want to lose these babies. I'm sure I haven't even tried them on, but I want to see how they look on with all the LEDs. Okay guys, I'm connecting all these little LED pallets. I think this is what it is, but it's pretty simple. Just plug and play. Let's see if I got something in here. Yeah. Let me connect this. Alright, I'm about to go ahead and see if it turns on. I wonder if it turned on. My angel eyes are on these. Dang.
Wow, man, it looks nice.
Let me see if I can focus it. Alright, these LEDs go hard. Look how they blinking and stuff. It matches the, oh shit, matches the angel eyes. But dang, they look good. I'm glad I ordered these. I can't wait to see how the side markers looks. This looks very good. So let's go ahead and install them real quick. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take my headlight out because I want to make sure these corner lights don't fall off.
Like last time?
Yeah, I already told them like 6 times already. Alright, I already removed all the bolts. Should just come off real easy. Okay. Damn.
Hope you ain't broken one.
Alright, I'm good. Alright guys, so the corner lights fit perfect. It lined up. This is what I'm talking about with the pre-facelift. It has no screw or nothing. It just clips in, and it usually falls off in a highway. Or I don't know if I just got bad headlights, but they always fall on me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just come up with something. I'm gonna put a little screw here, or I'm zip tie or something, because I don't want these to fall off. I know I said it multiple times, but guys, these were very expensive for some corner lights. Guys, you can't tell me that LED don't look good. I don't know why it's not bright enough in the camera, but trust me, that thing is bright. I'm gonna show y'all what modifications I did so it won't fall off. Okay, I put a little screw through the corner light and through here on the both clips. That way it won't fall off. It's held on pretty good. I'm very happy on this little modification I did. That shit ain't going nowhere. Guys, they look so good. Like, oh my god, that's like good fitment. Let's go ahead and put this one on. That way we can put the side markers and then finish off with installing Thomas' bumper. Alright guys, so I just installed both of them and oh my god, I'm very happy I ordered these. I'm about to go ahead and install these little side markers. Let's see how these LEDs look. Alright guys, so I just took that little corner light out. As you can tell, it's a basic clear chrome one. Now let's go ahead and connect this little LED one. Let's see how it looks. The old little side marker comes with this little bow, which is not LED. And I think you just connect this like this. Hold on. What is wrong with it? There you go. And you just connect it back and let's see if it works. Alright, keep recording to see if it works.
I think I see if it works. Dang.
I don't think it'll focus that close, but there you go, looks good. So let's go ahead and install the other one and let's see how it looks. Y'all let me know down in the comments if this is worth it. For $100, it comes with the corner lights and the side markers. It's all LEDs. In my opinion, I think it is all worth it. All the money I spent was worth it because it looks so good. Looks so aggressive. Look how the front looks. It looks very good. Look how the side markers look. It looks pretty good. Thomas, what you think about the corner lights?
I really like it. I think they're better than mine.
I wish it was like the facelift where you can screw it and then unscrew it. That way it won't fall off. But I'll make sure these ain't gonna fall off right now. We're just gonna go ahead and install Thomas' bumper and then we'll get some cinematics. Alright guys, we just got the bumper on. We had to do a lot of modifications because this bumper was not fitting right, Thomas. Yeah. It was a hassle to put on, but we got it on there. Now we're about to go ahead and get some cinematics and hopefully we get some thumbnail before today ends. So let's do this. Guys, just look how mean that car looks. I love how that looks. I like those corner lights. What about you, Thomas?
Nice.
Hey, you saw our neighbors, they were saying that. They were saying, because we were trying to take a thumbnail picture and they were like, hey, hold on, your tire is sideways, and it was very funny. Guys, I'm very happy with these corner lights. I guess I'm gonna end the video now. Thomas is happy he got his bumper ready. But all I know is that I just need to get my back wheels straight and need to buy all brand new tires, and this E46 will slowly but surely come back together. Need to get these windows tinted. But I guess that's it. You already know what to do. Drop the comments down below, some positive comments, and as always, it's been Cervantes Garage. Stay humble, stay blessed. We out. Peace.